What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we got a big pack of dope slimes with 9 slimes in it. Today I will be opening up all of them, telling you the scent and the texture, and playing with them a little bit. So we're gonna start off with birthday cake ice cream. The scent is birthday cake and the texture is butter slime. Let's open it up. I'm gonna try to get a good ASMR for you. Alright, anyways. Next slime. Alright, let's see what we got here. Cotton candy frost. The scent is cotton candy and the texture is icy. It's an icy slime. Okay. It does smell like ice. It does smell like it does smell like cotton candy. It acts like a cloud dough sort of. Doesn't come with any special charms though. I think only like 2 of these come with special charms. Yeah, I think I'm right about that too. Okay. Next slime, please. Alright, let's see what we have here. Banana cream pie. Alright. The scent is banana cream and the texture is foam, which is just foam beads inside of slime. It's like foam inside of glue. That's what it is. Woo! I haven't heard that good of a pop forever. Like ever. Okay, next on to the next slime. How is banana cream pie? One final look at it. That's when I got this dope slime bracelet. Anyways, the next one that we have here is sour strawberry. Okay, the scent is sour strawberry, of course, duh. And the texture is cloud dough. I can't really get a good ASMR for this one. It's like the same thing with icy slimes too. It kind of sounds like sand. It kind of sounds like you stepping in sand. It smells pretty good. Clouders have always been my favorite texture in slime. Alright, on to the next slime. Alright, the next one we have is Amethyst Frostbite. Alright. The scent is mint grape and the texture is bingsu. Bingsu is the one that pops really easily. It might be a little bit overactivated, but I love it. Okay, one last good squeeze. All right, on to the next slime. Let's see what we have here. Just keep it still. Still bring it out though. Okay, I completely opened this one without saying anything. We have aloe vera gel. The scent is aloe and the texture is jelly. This one can get some really good ASMRs. Can also rip really easily. I think I overactivated. I think I added a little too much extra activator. All right, on to the next. Reminds me of like that fart putty. Does anyone remember that when you put it back in and you fart and you sound like you're farting? Anyways, our next slime is strawberry peach yogurt. I can't open this up and play with it. Maybe. I can smell it though. So, the scent is strawberry peach. Yep, I can't play with that. And the texture is... Anyways, on to the next slime. It does smell like strawberry peach, by the way. Okay. Our final slime before the big grand finale. It is Blueberry Dreams. Wow, it sounds like one of those dum-dums you get. The scent is blueberry and the texture is memory dough. And it does have sour strawberry should add. I think they put gems. I think I'm onto something here. I think they make the pictures look better. But yes, this one does come with a little blueberry charm. It sounds like a mix of cloud dough and butter. Anyways, on to the final slime. Anyways, mint chip ice cream. Okay. The scent is mint chip and the texture is ice cream. So it's an ice cream slime. Oh my gosh. It smells like those mint chocolates you get at Olive Garden or the Andes mint chocolates. It smells so good. This one's definitely the best smelling one by far. Oh. Yeah, and it's like a mix of butter. It's the last one was more butter than cloud dough, but this one is more cloud dough than butter. But they're both like a mix. All right. And finally, we have the activator. We have the activator spray. It just makes sticky slimes less sticky. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.